with emerald rice paddies dotted throughout undulating green hills. It is the region Vietnam vacationers go to escape from it all, be it in a single day trekking from village to village or taking the 15-minute funicular up the U.S.'s tallest mountain, Phan Xipang. The hilltop Topaz Eco Lodge offers the ideal perch to absorb this lush paradise, with sweeping perspectives from the bungalow balconies and relaxed villas with personal pools, the latter coming in 2022. 2 Corcovado Countrywide Park, Costa Rica. It is hard to have a listing of the greenest places in the world without rainforest-packed Costa Rica, and Corcovado National Park at the Osa Peninsula is set as green as it receives. On this biodiverse countrywide park, home to some of central the U.S.'s only final old-growth moist forests, wildlife sightings can encompass the Baird's tapir, jaguars, sloths, and macaws. The place has an expansion of ecosystems, from lowland rainforests to mangrove swamps. Accommodations in the park is sparse, but you may set up to spend the night at the Serena Ranger Station, and revel in on the way to have you ever waking up in one of the most biodiverse places on this planet. 3 Tikolalong Rice Terrace, Bali. Situated close to Ubud, one among Bali's most densely forested cities, the UNESCO Global Historical Past Tikolalong Rice Terrace oscillates from chartreuse to hunter green, then lower back again, creating certainly one of Indonesia's maximum calming and fascinating landscapes. Tikolalong's traditional terrace shape is a millennia-old irrigation strategy. The verdant layers provide particular vantage points throughout the patchwork of rice fields and jungle. To experience Tikolalong's proper serenity and beauty, arrive early within the morning, nicely in advance of the afternoon crowds. 4 Val d'Orcia, Italy. Italy's journey reports span the shade wheel, from deep pink wines to the rainbow-hued Santerre. But in case you're seeking out a full spectrum of veggies, bookmark Tuscany's Val d'Orcia, a region that stretches south from Siena to northeast of the mountain Monte Amiata. This inexperienced region, a UNESCO International Heritage web page, is one in all Italy's main agricultural hubs. You'll discover vineyards, olive groves, and the signature cypress tree-framed streets in the course of its idyllic landscape. Do not miss Val d'Orcia's wine path to pair veggies with Italy's signature tasty reds. 5 Maya Mountains, Belize. The Maya Mountains stretch 70 miles across southern Belize into Guatemala. This range is a stark alternate from the intense blues of Belize's coastline. Right here in the Maya Mountains, thick jungles brim with specific adventures, from spotting wildlife like jaguars and tapirs to swimming underneath waterfalls or summiting Victoria Height, the United States of America's second maximum mountain. To absolutely embrace the USA's enchanting green landscapes, book a room on the eco-elegant Copal Tree Inn, where nature is the main appeal. The belongings is tucked into 22,000 acres of lush jungle, with in-room bathtubs and showers that offer treetop and howler monkey views, now not to say a funicular to take you down to explore the Rio Grande. 6 Killarney National Park, Era. The emerald outglows all shades of green, and few Irish locations display off this coloration palette like Killarney National Park. Native oak, evergreens, yew woods, and shrubs speckle on this UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, and the flora works in tandem for a mind-blowing sea of green. These calming colorings reach Era's highest heights, with the country's tallest mountain range, the McGillicuddy's Reeks, located within the place. Explore the park on horseback, or book a trekking tour to summit Karantul, the U.S.'s tallest mountain. 7 Teahupu, Tahiti. Waves may be Teahupu's price tag to repute, it's the site of the Olympic surf opposition in 2024, but on land, this jaw-dropping stretch of southwest Tahiti is simply as inexperienced as its miles blue. The luxurious valleys flanking the Teahupu shoreline are complete of drama, with towering, jagged peaks and vertiginous ridges, many a ways off the grid and best on hand through boat. To amble through those emerald valleys and awaken to the sight of them out of your personal bedroom, book a room at A Hayo Tumwa, family-owned guesthouse with 4,000 rectangular meters of inexperienced space, from the sea to the backyard of a valley, wherein waterfalls, majestic white horses, and limitless fruit timber look forward to. 8 Plitvice Lakes Countrywide Park, Croatia. Croatia's most famous trekking destination is likewise its greenest, the UNESCO World Background Plitvice Lakes Countrywide Park. Beaches, firs, and spruces frame the park's signature waterfalls and 16 lakes. Neighborhood flora and fauna, from boars to rare birds, love these lush vistas as a lot as vacationers. Flightvis's famed lakes even turn colorings of emerald, relying on the light. They're nice loved from trekking routes like Path C, 5 miles, or Path OK, 11 miles, the latter winds through the entire park. 9. Congo Basin, Crucial Africa. Tropical rainforests and swamplands blanket crucial Africa's Congo Basin, which spans 6 countries, such as the Republic of the Congo, Cameroon, and Gabon. It is the arena's 2D biggest rain woodland, masking 500 million acres of lush landscapes, with more than 10,000 plant species and a pair of animal species. Traffic can respect gorillas, chimpanzees, bonobos, and wooded area elephants in the Congo Basin. A developing wide variety of tour operators now take guests right here, consisting of the conventional safari company, which builds Congo Basin itineraries that include wildlife watching days bookended by means of nights at a luxe tree residence. 10. Ho Rain Woodland, Washington. The Pacific Northwest is one of the America's greenest getaways, but not anything on this region, or the rest of the U.S. compares to the mesmerizing Ho Rain Woodland in Washington's Olympic Countrywide Park. Right here, ferns, mosses, and coniferous and deciduous species painting seamlessly to paint Ho Rain Forest all colors of green. The 18.5-mile Ho River Trail explores each nook and cranny of this serene rainforest, at the same time as the shorter 1-mile corridor of Mosses loops via antique growth forests and maple groves, with a verdant canopy of moss presenting color alongside the way.